This initial solution will show you how to use Gmail for beginners. First of all, you have to register for an Gmail account. Registering your free Gmail account takes no time at all. You just need to provide a first name, last name, and email address which will end in @gmail.com by default, and a password. After creating your Gmail account, you will get this interface. And here, click on Settings. Gmail Settings dashboard gives you a wide variety of options for managing your layout, security, email forwarding, and all sorts of features that facilitate your day-to-day communications. You can see all settings by clicking here. And here you'll find different types of settings option. You can adjust them according to your requirements. At the top left corner, you will get this compose button. So click on it to make a mail. Here you have to put the recipient email address. And give here a mail subject. And this is the email body. Here you have to write your email. And to insert a video, audio, image, or anything in your email, then click on this attach files icon. And then you will be able to upload any file from your computer. And the file will upload here. Click on this recipient box, and from here you can also add CC or BCC in your email. And to send the email, click on send. You can schedule your email by clicking on this drop down next to send button. And to the left hand menu, you will get your inbox. You can get your send box from here. You can view more from here to get spam box, chats, important, trash, all email. And to view any email, click on inbox, and here you will get all of your emails. And to delete any email, simply click on this check box next to the email you want to delete. And here you will get a menu. From here you can delete the mail, you can make it read, you can archive the mail from here, then you can move to the mail to any folder or level from here. And to open any email, simply click on the email you want to open, and the email will open up here, and then you will be able to read the email. And to reply, you have to click on reply, and now you can easily write a reply email or message from here. Click on this search box to search for a specific email. You can enter the recipient email address or a word to find out the whole email. So this is how we can use Gmail for beginners. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.